Hi everybody, it's me Sissy, back with the Dollar Tree haul, and a bonus at the end is going to be a product review of some of the Bolero products that I got in my last haul. So let's just get right to it. I found some really cool towels. I've been looking for these. I saw everybody else hauling them and I just loved them. It's the flour sack towels, and this one is so cute. I really like you. I think I got something special planned for this one. If it works out, y'all will be seeing a video on it. So. And then I got these Don't Flip Out, What's Shaking, the Just Beat It, and I'm sorry for what I said when I was hungry. So those are really cute. I've got those, I think I'm going to have a new series. I had so many projects left over from Christmas that I didn't get done, and I saw everybody was doing 12 days of Christmas, and I saw somebody was doing 60 days of Christmas, a video every day for 60 days. I thought maybe I would start with 12 months of Christmas and do one video a month, and that way at least I'd have 12 projects done by Christmas. So I'll let y'all know how that goes. But I'm going to try not to procrastinate so much this year and actually get my stuff done. But anyway, I picked up some of these cool little makeup bags, and I have figured out that I can actually put these on my heat press and monogram them. So if y'all would like to see a video on how I do that, just leave a message in the comments and I'll show you. I fixed one for a friend and I think it turned out really cute. And then I found some of this Bolero almond oil and Manuka honey body oil. I love Manuka honey or Manuka oil. I ordered it from Amazon. It comes all the way from New Zealand or somewhere or another, and it's great. I love it. So I thought I'd give that a try. And I got some more of the Bolero facial wipes, the lavender and citrus. This smells so good, which is that's going to be part of the review. I have a lavender and citrus scented Bolero item that we're going to talk about. And I got some Colgate, the Deep Clean. You can't beat this toothpaste for $1. The tubes are smaller than the ones you get in Walmart, but that way you finish it up, and if you didn't really like that particular kind, or I like to kind of change the toothpaste I use. I don't use the same kind month after month because I don't know, maybe your teeth get used to them. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I kind of switch it up and use Colgate and Close Up and whatever and just switch it up. Let's see, I got this Jot magnetic tins, 2 in a pack. I did these for my spice rack. I'm going to make some new labels for it for the Cricut. When I get it done, I'll show y'all a video. I might just do a video of all the Dollar Tree things that I have in my house that I've gone back and changed and improved with my Cricut. But anyway, I think I got 3 of those, so I got 6 more tins to add more spices. And a lot of this is some cleaning stuff. It's not a real big haul. It's just a few things. But I got the Gain dryer sheets, original scent. These smell so good. And my favorite, Fabuloso. I pick this up every time I see it. The one with the baking soda in it. It's citrus and fruits with baking soda. This works great and smells so good. And I got this cute little modular wall storage pot. It's like a half pot, and I've got a DIY coming up with how I'm going to use that. And my mom was kind of snacky and wanted some cheese crackers while we were there, so we got these. What's it called? Baker's Harvest, just the knockoff cheese. It's like cheese nips, so cheese crackers for her. And I got the Bolero French lavender and citrus facial scrub. I really like that. And of course my usual Pet Fresh Carpet Fresh. And my favorite LA Awesome Fresh Lavender Feels Fabric Refresher. I spray this on my couches where the puppies have been, so we don't have a puppy scent. And there's some more tins, the Jot tins. And I got some personal care quick dry antiperspirant spray. I love the dry spray deodorant. It's kind of pricey, so I thought I'd give this a try. And I did get the one that's for men because I didn't see one that was for women. So, and I put on perfume over it so you can't tell what scent it is. And I got one of these cute little macaroon containers. Put a jewelry box in, and with my Cricut, of course, I'm going to monogram the top of it or put a saying on it or something. But that was cute, and that's the first time I've seen those in my Dollar Tree. And I got some of the Supreme Traditions Italian seasoning. I love it. It's not the strongest in the world, and if you switch between this and no, I'm not going to say a better brand, but a different brand, be careful, because this is not very strong, and if you use something else and use as much as you're using of this, you might be a little more flavorful than you bargained for. And I got some of the almond oil and Manuka honey facial wipes to give those a try. They smell good too. I smelled them in the package. And I got the Pond's Pure Detox facial foam. That's a good name brand. There was something about this. This might have been the one. I got it and then I noticed that it said it had alcohol in it, and I don't really like to put alcohol on my face. And maybe it's not. I don't have my glasses on, but I'll look and make sure. But it is Pond's, and it's supposed to have activated charcoal in it. Get the impurities out your face. So I'm going to give that a try, and I'll give y'all a review of that. And then my favorite find was all these beautiful, beautiful spring crocus. I had intended to get the tulips because I've seen everybody doing these gorgeous tulip wreaths. Y'all, the tulips at my Dollar Tree, they are not the tulips these people are putting on these wreaths, because these tulips looked terrible. You could have worked with them from now to next Tuesday and they weren't going to look any better. But I thought these looked really cute, so I'm going to try to do a crocus wreath. So we'll see how it looks, and you know, y'all, if it turns out good, y'all will see it. If y'all don't see it, it didn't turn out good. So now let's go to, oh, here's one more. I missed one. One more flower. I think I got 8 of them. I got 2 of each color. But anyway, let's go to my review. I don't usually buy car accessories, phone accessories at the Dollar Tree, but I was in there and I needed a phone mount, and I bought this one. And it fits my phone, granted, and I guess it would be a good mount, but this little mount thing that goes in your vent is so short that if you have a tab on your vent to adjust it, there's no way you can cram this in the vent and get your phone in it and still be able to open and close the vent, or even get it on there where there's enough room for the vent thing. I tried every way I could to make this thing work. I did get it on there one time, but my phone was squashed so much to the control panel that it kept turning my flashers on. And if this works for you, I'm glad for you, but this did not work for me. Did not work. And I'm going to see if there's something else I can do with it, but it's not a good phone mount. The Bolero products. I have waited and waited and waited for my Dollar Tree to get some kind of Bolero bath bombs, because I am a bold bath, lay in the bathtub and relax kind of person. And I was so thrilled when I went and they had the French lavender and citrus 3-pack bath bombs and the paper facial mask. I'm just going to have me a French lavender citrus party in my bathroom and put a candle and just soak in the tub. So I go in there, run my water, put my bath bombs in, put a bath bomb in, came back in ready to breathe in all that wonderful lavender and citrus. Nothing. Couldn't smell a thing. I was like, oh. Looked in the tub. It had fizzed out and it was gone, and the water looked a little cloudy. So I said, well, let me put another one in. Okay, maybe that one was a dud. Let me throw in another one. I threw in another one. Still, absolutely no fragrance whatsoever. And it sat there and went blip, 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 blip. Not a bath bomb. Not even a bath fizzy. I don't know what it was doing. It completely dissolved. Still could not smell anything. I threw the third one in. No scent whatsoever. Nothing. I was so disappointed. If you got these things to work and they smell good, good for you. But this one was a dud. And this is the only time I've ever wanted my $1 back from Dollar Tree. But I did not like this at all. It was just a waste of money. The water didn't even feel good. You know, I can buy the $1 bag of Epsom salts, put them in there, and you can smell it all through my house. This I was very dissatisfied with. The facial mask, it smelled good and it was nice and cool. Whether it did anything, I don't know. But at least it did have a nice scent to it. So I did get a little bit of scent from it. But anyway, that's my 2 cents worth of the Bolero bath bombs. If y'all have had better luck with them, let me know. Let me know what fragrance was, because I'm telling you, it was not French lavender and citrus. But anyway, that's my review of the Bolero and the phone clip. I got aggravated and I just went to Staples and bought one, and it works fine. It fit right in the vent. Phone goes right to it, no problem. So it's not my phone and it's not my car. It's this clip. But anyway, y'all have a great week. Hope to be back with some DIYs. Thanks for all the new subscribers. If you're new to my channel, thanks for being here. I hope you found something that you liked and you want to stay. Give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, leave a message and tell me what you didn't like. I answer 99% of my comments. I answer them, or try to. But anyway, y'all have a great day. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Bye.